wonder what the wind chill is today. I wonder what the tree chill is. Hey Siri, what's the current wind chill?
The wind chill is currently -5 degrees.
John Steinbach once said, "What good is the warmth of summer without the cold of winter to give it sweetness?" You guys, I need all the inspiration I can get because, let's just face it, I have the winter blues. Dun, 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 dun. I have the winter blues, dun, 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 and I don't know what to do. Dun, 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 dun. It's been so cold outside, dun, 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 and I got 2 feet of snow by my side. I was trying to rhyme. I need all the cheering up I can get. And so when I get the cache crate, I am always cheered up because it always has me looking forward to warmer days when I can go geocaching a lot more. Guess how many geocaches I have found in the month of February? 6. 6. You guys, that is pathetic. It's pathetic. It's been a rough winter, but today I have the cache crate. If you don't know what the cache crate is, it is a monthly geocaching subscription box. Lisa from Cache Advance every month sends me a box of geocaching goodies. And what I love it is every month when I open this, I'm inspired. I'm inspired to get out the door and go geocaching no matter how cold it is. Knife, 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 baby. Oh, the presentation, as always, is so pretty. What? What? Oh my gosh, look at this. This is not a part of the cache crate. This is a trackable that somebody tried to send to me from Nova Scotia, Canada. It says here, please help this trackable get to Joshua, aka the geocaching vlogger in Minneapolis, Minnesota. This trackable released by Molly B888 in Nova Scotia, Canada. Oh my gosh, that is always so fun when people send trackables my way. And I've never had a trackable get to me via a cache crate before. Another trackable. This is Racing to Joshua, the geocaching vlogger. I don't know if it won the race, but look, it's a little Tigger. I bet the people that sent these out never thought they would get to me via cache crate. All right, now it's time to get to the official stuff that is in the cache crate. We have an official geocaching logbook and pencil with a baggie. Yes, need that. We have a premium member, I support geocaching sticker. I'm a premium member. I've been a premium member for over 10 years. Love this sticker. Okay, I think this is one of the bigger items here. We got an Urban Gear LED light that is a keychain that is weather resistant in a weather resistant case. Yeah, nothing's getting in there. Winter, you're not gonna get in there. You're not gonna get in there and get my new flashlight because you're a weather resistant case. Wow, it's weather resistant, but I think it's also Josh resistant. Oh my gosh, I just discovered that this weather resistant case, I think it could double as a geocache because it's weather resistant, right? So I can make this into geocache. Lisa, you are so clever. You found a flashlight that was stored inside of a geocache. There she is. Nice little keychain attached to it. Perfect for finding those geocaches. And when you need a flashlight in a pinch, put this on your keys. You can look up there and check out the nose hair situation. Multi-use right here, multi-use. And it also blinks. Like if you're in trouble, help, 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 help. I have a blinking light, I'm in trouble. Oh my gosh, I think I found maybe the biggest item. I've had some of these before. I do not have this design, but this is a Geocoin, and it's a really cool Geocoin. It is the Pi Day Geocoin. Look at that, that is simply delicious. If you look closely on the edges is all the numbers of pi, and then look at it comes out too, and it's sparkly, and that's pi right there. I can't think of a better way to celebrate Pi Day, which is March 16th, than to have my little Pi Day Geo Coin. Included with the sticker is a official premium member I support geocaching trackable tag. I heart Geocaching HQ. I support them, and now I can support them with sending out this trackable. So this one is the add-on trackable. Every month I get the add-on trackable, which is really cool, so more tracking fun for me. The month of February was a very good cache crate. And I'm already feeling a little bit better as this cache crate has warmed my heart. I did get 2 trackables, I got a geocaching case, I got a cool flashlight, I got a logbook, a really, really strong cache crate. So if you're interested in the cache crate and chasing away the blues every single month, go to cachecrate.com. You can subscribe there, you can cancel anytime, and you too can get geocaching joy sent to you every single month. So thank you so much, Cache Advance, for partnering with me on this video. I'm gonna take these 2 trackables, I'm gonna put them back out in the wild. I'm gonna try to brave the elements and find a good geocache to send these back out. Oh my gosh, I'm at another park, and if you look at this park, it's like a white wasteland of snow. This bench, oh my gosh, this bench down here has seen better days. Okay, I just got to ground zero and I looked all around, couldn't find anything around this tree, and then I looked at the terrain, and the terrain is a terrain 4, which means we're climbing. The geocache is right all the way up there. All right, friends, I'm about 20 feet up in the air, 25 feet, and look, I'm on top of the tree. I'm on top of the world. What's that? There's a little treasure box up here. Perfect for my trackables. Oh, winter friendly for sure, but not easy. That's for sure. My finger, oh yes. The treasure's peanut butter. Da, 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 da. I got the frozen finger blues. All right, here are the trackables that met their goal. Congratulations. I'm putting them in the cache to be found probably on a warmer day. All right, put the geocache away. All right, guys, I did it. I climbed a tree, I found a winter-friendly cache, I put my trackables that I got in the cache crate, that's the first. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm gonna get down from this tree. We'll see you next time. Gloves going on.